Welcome to our captivating documentary on The Extraordinary Life of a Wolf. The life of a wolf is fascinating and complex. Wolves are highly social animals that live in packs, which are structured groups consisting of an alpha pair, the dominant breeding pair, and their offspring. Birth and early life. Wolves typically breed once a year, usually during the winter months. The alpha female gives birth to a litter of pups. After a gestation period of around 2 months, the litter size can vary, but is usually between 4 to 6 pups. The pups are born blind and completely dependent on their parents for survival. They stay in the den for the first few weeks, where they are cared for by both parents and sometimes older siblings from previous litters. As they grow, they become more active and start exploring their surroundings. Development and socialization. As the pups grow older, they begin to venture out of the den and engage in playful activities. They learn important skills by interacting with their siblings, such as hunting techniques, communication, and social hierarchy within the pack. The alpha pair and other adult members of the pack play occur. Establishing territory. Once the pups reach a certain age, usually around 1 to 2 years old, they leave the pack to find their own territory and form new packs or join existing ones. This dispersal helps prevent inbreeding and ensures the genetic diversity of wolf populations. Wolves are highly territorial animals and mark their territories with scent markings, vocalizations, and physical signs like scratching trees. Reproduction and pack dynamics. Wolves typically reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. The alpha pair of the pack is responsible for most of the breeding, but other members may also mate and have offspring. The social hierarchy within the pack is maintained through displays of dominance and submission. And con. Old age and mortality. Wolves can live up to 10 to 15 years in the wild. Though some have been known to live longer, as wolves age, they may become weaker or injured, making them less capable of hunting and competing for resources. In some cases, older wolves may leave the pack or be pushed out by younger, more dominant wolf. Hunting and feeding. Wolves are carnivorous mammals and are highly skilled hunters. They are social animals that live and hunt in packs, which consist of a dominant breeding pair called the alpha male and alpha female, as well as their offspring from previous years. Here's a general overview of how wolves hunt and feed. Hunting strategy. Wolves are intelligent and cooperative hunters. They often employ a strategy known as cooperative or pack hunting, which allows them to take down larger prey more efficiently. They communicate through vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to coordinate their movements during a hunt. Prey selection. Wolves have a diverse diet and can hunt a variety of prey, depending on their location and availability. Their primary prey species include ungulates such as deer, elk, moose, caribou, and bison. They may also hunt smaller mammals like beavers, hares, and rodents. Hunting techniques. Wolves use a combination of strategies when hunting. They employ stamina and persistent hunting, where they pursue their prey over long distances until the prey becomes exhausted. Wolves also use stealth and ambush techniques, taking advantage of cover and terrain to get close to their prey without being detected. Pack dynamics. When hunting, wolves work together as a pack. They coordinate their actions to surround and isolate a target individual or a small group of prey animals. By doing so, they increase their chances of a successful hunt once the prey is brought down. The pack feeds together, with the dominant members typically having priority access to the carcass. Feeding behavior. Wolves consume most parts of their prey, including muscle meat, organs, bones, and even fur. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth adapted for tearing and consuming flesh. After a successful hunt, wolves may gorge themselves, eating a significant portion of the carcass in a short period. They may also cache surplus food by burying it in the ground or snow to be retrieved later when food is scarce. It's worth noting that wolves are important predators in many ecosystems and play a crucial role in regulating prey populations. Their hunting and feeding behavior is shaped by their social structure, ecological context, and prey availability in their specific habitats. Wolves have a strong sense of cooperation and communication during hunts, with individuals taking on different roles, such as chasing, cornering, and attacking the prey. They have a varied diet and may also eat smaller mammals, birds, fish, and carrion when available. Howling is a primary means of communication among wolves. It allows them to convey messages over long distances, especially in open habitats where sound carries well. Wolves use howls to communicate with other pack members, neighboring packs, and sometimes to mark their territory. Howling reinforces social bonds within a pack. It strengthens the sense of unity and cooperation among pack members. By participating in group howling sessions, wolves reaffirm their social relationships and reinforce their pack structure. As our journey comes to a close, we are left in awe of these magnificent creatures. The life of a wolf is a testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world, reminding us of our connection to the untamed wilderness that surrounds us. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable expedition into the life of a wolf. May their spirit forever inspire us to appreciate and protect the wonders of nature.